In the stillness of the early morning, before the world awakens and the chaos of the day ensues, lies an opportunity, a sacred space where the Stoic warrior can cultivate the resilience and inner strength needed to face the challenges of life with unwavering fortitude. As the first light of dawn pierces the darkness, we embark on a journey guided by the timeless wisdom of Stoicism, embracing 5 daily routines designed to nurture self-control, fortitude, and inner peace. 1. Morning reflection. Embrace the Stoic virtues. As the first rays of sunlight filter through the curtains, we awaken to greet the new day with reverence and intention. In the quiet solitude of the morning, before the demands of the outside world intrude upon our consciousness, we take a moment to reflect on the Stoic virtues that serve as our guiding principles: wisdom, courage, temperance, and justice. Drawing inspiration from the words of Marcus Aurelius, the revered Stoic emperor, we remind ourselves that the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. In the stillness of the morning, we commit to cultivating a mindset of positivity and gratitude, acknowledging the blessings that surround us and embracing each new day with renewed purpose and intention. As we sit in silent contemplation, we reflect on the Stoic virtues and their relevance to our own lives. We ask ourselves, how can we embody wisdom in our thoughts and actions? How can we cultivate courage in the face of adversity? How can we practice temperance in our desires and pursuits? How can we uphold justice in our interactions with others? With each breath, we reaffirm our commitment to living in accordance with these timeless principles, knowing that they hold the key to true inner peace and fulfillment. As the morning light bathes the world in its golden glow, we set forth on our journey with clarity and conviction, ready to face whatever challenges may come our way. 2. Meditation and mindfulness. Cultivate inner stillness. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, it is all too easy to become overwhelmed by the constant barrage of stimuli vying for our attention. Yet amidst the chaos, the Stoic warrior seeks refuge in the sanctuary of the present moment, finding solace and strength in the practice of meditation and mindfulness. In the quietude of the morning, before the demands of the day begin to clamor for our attention, we carve out a space for silence and stillness. Taking a seat in a comfortable posture, we close our eyes and turn our gaze inward, focusing our attention on the rhythm of our breath as it rises and falls, like the ebb and flow of the tide. With each inhalation and exhalation, we release the tension and stress that have accumulated within us, allowing ourselves to sink deeper into a state of profound relaxation and tranquility. We let go of the worries and anxieties that plague our minds, surrendering to the serenity of the present moment. As we cultivate mindfulness, we become keenly aware of the sensations arising within our bodies, the gentle rise and fall of our chests, the subtle tingling of our limbs, the rhythmic beating of our hearts. We embrace each moment with open arms, fully present and engaged in the miracle of existence. In the stillness of the morning, we find clarity and insight, as the fog of confusion and doubt begins to lift from our minds. We recognize that true peace and contentment lie not in the pursuit of external pleasures, but in the cultivation of inner stillness and awareness. And so, we carry this newfound sense of tranquility with us throughout the day, like a beacon of light guiding us through the darkness. 3. Physical exercise. Cultivate strength of body and mind. The Stoic warrior understands the intimate connection between body and mind, recognizing that physical health is the foundation upon which mental resilience and fortitude are built. And so, in the quiet hours of the morning before the world awakens, we engage in the sacred ritual of physical exercise, honoring the teachings of Seneca, who famously proclaimed that a sound mind in a sound body is a short but full description of a happy state in this world. In the cool, crisp air of the early morning, we lace up our shoes and step out into the world, ready to engage in the timeless practice of movement and motion. Whether through running, yoga, or strength training, we embrace the opportunity to nourish our bodies and sharpen our minds, knowing that physical exercise is not merely a means to an end, but a sacred rite of passage, a testament to our commitment to living a life of health and vitality. As we move our bodies with purpose and intention, we feel the tension and stress of the day begin to melt away, replaced by a sense of strength and vitality coursing through our veins. With each step, each stretch, each rep, we become keenly aware of the power and potential residing within us, waiting to be unleashed upon the world. In the rhythm of our breath and the beat of our hearts, we find solace and strength, knowing that we are capable of overcoming any obstacle that stands in our way. And so, with each passing moment, we revel in the joy of movement, embracing the gift of physical health and vitality with gratitude and humility. 4. Journaling and reflection. Cultivate self-awareness and personal growth. As the day draws to a close and the shadows lengthen, we retreat to the sanctuary of our homes, ready to engage in the practice of journaling and reflection. In the soft glow of candlelight, we take pen to paper, allowing our thoughts and emotions to flow freely onto the page, unencumbered by judgment or restraint. In the tradition of Stoic philosophers such as Seneca and Marcus Aurelius, we seek to examine our lives thoroughly and consistently, knowing that self-awareness is the key to personal growth and transformation. With honesty and humility, we confront the challenges and obstacles that have arisen throughout the day, seeking to understand their root causes and implications. As we pour our thoughts and feelings onto the page, we find solace and clarity in the act of self-expression, knowing that we are not alone in our struggles and fears. With each stroke of the pen, we shed light on the shadows that lurk within us, illuminating the path to self-discovery and self-improvement. In the process of journaling and reflection, we uncover valuable insights and lessons that help us navigate the complexities of life with wisdom and grace. We identify patterns of thought and behavior that no longer serve us, and we commit to replacing them with healthier, more constructive alternatives. With each passing day, we cultivate a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us, knowing that true growth and transformation are born from the crucible of self-awareness and introspection. And so, we embrace the practice of journaling and reflection as a sacred ritual, a cornerstone of our journey toward self-mastery and fulfillment. Evening Stoic reading, cultivate wisdom and insight. As the night deepens and the world grows quiet, we turn our attention to the ancient wisdom of Stoic philosophy, seeking solace and guidance in the timeless teachings of the sages. In the soft glow of lamplight, we immerse ourselves in the writings of Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, Seneca, and other Stoic philosophers, drawing inspiration from their words of wisdom and insight. With each page we turn, we delve deeper into the heart of Stoic philosophy, uncovering the timeless truths that have guided humanity for millennia. We reflect on the Stoic virtues and principles that serve as our guiding lights, knowing that they hold the key to true inner peace and fulfillment. In the pages of Stoic literature, we find solace and strength in the face of life's challenges, knowing that we are not alone in our struggles and fears. We draw inspiration from the stories of courage and resilience that have stood the test of time, knowing that we too are capable of overcoming any obstacle that stands in our way. As we read, we cultivate a sense of wisdom and insight that transcends the boundaries of time and space, knowing that true knowledge is not found in the accumulation of facts and information, but in the pursuit of wisdom and understanding. And so, we embrace the practice of reading Stoic literature as a sacred ritual, a timeless tradition that connects us to the wisdom of the ages and empowers us to live with courage, resilience, and inner peace. In conclusion, these 5 morning and night routines offer a roadmap to becoming unstoppable in the face of life's challenges. By embracing the Stoic virtues of wisdom, courage, temperance, and justice, cultivating inner stillness through meditation and mindfulness, nurturing physical health and vitality through exercise, fostering self-awareness and personal growth through journaling and reflection, and seeking wisdom and insight through the study of Stoic literature, we empower ourselves to navigate the complexities of life with grace, resilience, and inner peace. As we embark on this journey together, may we find strength and solace in the timeless wisdom of Stoicism, knowing that true happiness and fulfillment lie not in the pursuit of external pleasures, but in the cultivation of inner strength and resilience. In the process of journaling and reflection, we uncover valuable insights and lessons that help us navigate the complexities of life with wisdom and grace. We identify patterns of thought and behavior that no longer serve us, and we commit to replacing them with healthier, more constructive alternatives. With each passing day, we cultivate a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us, knowing that true growth and transformation are born from the crucible of self-awareness and introspection.